What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna show you guys how you can download or install roblox studio on your PC or your laptop. So you're gonna open your browser, then search for roblox, or you can just go to roblox.com, or you can just search for roblox. And you're gonna have to sign in into your account. You're gonna have to sign into your Roblox account. If you don't have an account, you have to create. But if you have an account, you're gonna have to sign in or log in. So after you're done with that, you're gonna have to click on create. You're gonna have to click on this. And click on start creating. Download studio, and just be patient. And right here, as you can see, the download is already started, so I'm gonna click on it when it's done. And now I'm trying to install right now. It's already done, so I'm gonna have to be patient to wait for it to install. Now as you can see, the installation is already started, so just wait for it to finish installing. You're gonna have to be patient. And right here, as you can see, the installation is started. This might take a while, maybe a minute, so just gotta wait for it to load. Okay guys, as you can see right now, the Roblox studio is already opened on my laptop right now. This is it. It's already open, so that's how you can download or install Roblox studio on your PC or your laptop. Simple. So basically just go to roblox.com, log in your account and click on create. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos.